At Invertechs, we understand that everyone's energy needs are unique. That's why we offer the perfect solution to enhance your power generation experience with our state-of-the-art IS dual microinverters. These microinverters, designed for top performance, connect to 2 solar panels and are available in variants with rated output powers of 600 and 800 watts. With an impressive conversion efficiency of 96.7%, they maximise energy production whilst minimising losses. The ultra-thin and lightweight aluminium alloy casing not only ensures a sleek, streamlined appearance, but also reduces transportation costs. Equipped with an advanced monitoring system, they provide real-time data access and module-level monitoring, allowing for optimal power conversion. They are built to withstand harsh conditions with their high temperature and corrosion resistance and IP67 waterproof rating. For added safety, a rapid shutdown function is also included. Backed by up to 12 years of warranty, our microinverters are trusted in over 40 countries worldwide.